Hi, kids. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yours, Mohit.
Today, we are going to learn the alphabet A words.
Are you ready?
Let's go!
A is for apple. A is for apricot. A is for almond. A is for avocado. A is for acorn. A is for aeroplane. A is for ambulance. A is for axe. A is for anchor. A is for arrow. A is for apron. A is for arm. A is for ankle. A is for alien. A is for astronaut. A is for angel. A is for archer. A is for artist. A is for ant. A is for alligator. A is for ape. A is for armadillo. A is for Arctic fox. A is for aardvark. A is for albatross. A is for anole. A is for axolotl. A is for African elephant. A is for antelope. A is for alpaca. A is for anteater. A is for eye. A is for Arabian oryx. A is for aardwolf. A is for African wild dog. A is for African penguin. A is for anaconda.
kids.
Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
Continue learning for more words of A.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.